subscribe now and press the bell.
Good evening, student. I am SK sir. Today I am going to discuss how to find non-metal by using short tricks. Here, chemically, an element that gains electrons from outermost shell of other element called as non-metal. Before it, I discussed in last video about the topic non-metal. If you want to see this video, go to the description box and see this video. Now here we take example of hydrogen. We know that Z of hydrogen is 1, so here number of electron is found in hydrogen is 1 and it gains 1 electrons, so it gets H minus anions. Here electron is 1 but here electron is 2 because after it gaining 1 electron it becomes 2 electrons. Now we see in next example. Here we take carbon. We know that Z of carbon is 6, so we write electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p2. Here 2s2 2p2 is the outermost shell, so it is called as valence shell, and number of electron in this shell is called valence electron. Now valence electron of carbon is 4, and we know that valency of carbon is also 4 because commanding capacity of any atom is known as valency. So in non-metal we use octet rules 8 minus 4, so we get 4 electrons. Now it gains 4 electrons, so here electron in carbon atom is 6. After gaining 4 electron it becomes electron 6 4 10. Here after gaining 4 electron it becomes C minus 4 because it gains 4 electrons. Now we see in next example nitrogen. We know that Z of nitrogen is 7, so 2 5. Here valence electron of nitrogen is 5, so we get valency. Now we know that valency is equal to 8 minus 5, so here 3 valency in nitrogen, so it gains 3 electrons. Now we know that here electron in nitrogen is 7. After gaining 3 electrons it becomes n minus 3, so here number of electron in n minus 3 is equal to 10 because it gains 3 electrons and after gaining it becomes 10 electrons. In this way we easily obtain non-metal by gaining its outermost electrons from other element Now we see in next example, we see here in oxygen, we know that Z of oxygen is 8, so we write electronic configuration 2 6. Here 6 is the valence electron, so we know that valency we derive 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, so it gains only 2 electrons from outermost shell of other element. Here we know that in oxygen electron is 8, before gaining it 2, then it becomes O minus 2. So here number of electron is 10. After gaining electron it becomes O minus 2. So here number of electron is 10. In this way we derive non-metal by gaining electron from outermost shell of other element. Now we see in next example. Now we see in fluorine, we know that Z of fluorine is 9, so we write electronic configuration 2 7. Here 7 is the valence electron, so we using the octet law we derive valency 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So here fluorine only 1 electron gains from outermost shell of any element. Now we see here number of electron is 9 in fluorine, and after gaining 1 electron it becomes 10 and it got F minus 1 charges. In this way we easily derive non-metal by using these tricks. In phosphorus, Z of phosphorus is 15, so we write electronic configuration 2 8 5. It is a short trick of electronic configuration. Here outermost shell in which 5 electrons are available, we know that the valence electron is 5, so here we derive valency. We know that by using 8 minus 5 3, so here phosphorus it gets 3 electrons from outermost shell of other element, so we derive it. Here number of electron is 15. After gaining 3 electrons it becomes P minus 3, so here number of electron is 18. In this way we easily derive number of electron by gaining electrons. So we see the next example in sulfur. We know that Z of sulfur is 16, so we write electronic configuration 2 8 6, and we know that outermost shell is 6, so number of electron is 6 as a valence electron, so we derive valency by using octet rule. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2 electron. So here sulfur it gains 2 electron from outermost shell of other element, so we derive it Here number of electron before gaining 2 electrons, it is 16, and after gaining 2 electrons, here s minus 2 and number of electron is 18. In this way we easily derive nonmetal by using this trick. Now we see in next example. In chlorine we know that Z of chlorine is 70, so we write electronic configuration 287. So we know that number of valence electron in chlorine is 7, so by using the octet rule we derive valency 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. In this way we derive valency, and we see that number of electron in chlorine atom is 17, and after gaining 1 electron it becomes Cl minus, and here number of electron is 18. In this way we easily find out nonmetal by using this trick. If you like this video, give comments, and thanks for watching this video.